Here's a quick tutorial on how to change the cover of your digital notebook or digital planner inside GoodNotes. So, open your application and find the planner of which you want to change the cover. For this example, I'm going to use this digital planner I created. I have left a link in the description if you want to check it out. As you can see, the document has 4 different covers. To change the cover here, we must go to the Page Setting tab at the top left corner of the app. In this part, you can select, rearrange, or delete pages inside the document. To change the cover, I'm going to hold and drag a different cover to the first position. It's good to keep the other covers too, in case you want to use another image later. Once a page is moved to the first position of the document, it will become the document's cover. And no worries if your extra planner covers are not already inside your document. Here's how you add a cover from another location. Inside the document, click on the Add Page sign to add a new page. Find the page you want to import and click on it. Once it is inside the document, you can open the Page Settings tab and move it to the first position to make it the new cover. And you are done. Click on the video on your screen right now to learn more about digital planning. And thanks for watching.